Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is open air display cases. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the units, overall length will be about like a 39.5 inches. And the overall height, about like a 59.25 inches. For the depth of the units, it's about like almost like a 35 inches. And as you can see, they're having 1, 2, 3 layers and include the bases, so total 4 layers of the units. Let's take a measurement of each shelvings. Top shelvings, 10 inches in the depth. Second layers, about 12 inches. And the third layers is almost like a 14 inches. And the bottom shelvings, it's about like a 22 inches in the depth. For the length, it's about like a 35.25 inches. And the bases, about 36 inches. The units coming with the net covers. You can slide in at the top. And they can cover the food or any like cases or bakeries for fresh. And also they come in with one LED stripes right here at the bottom. And if you're looking down the units, we're having the controller right here and the switches right here. And let's turn around. As you can see, the units have a sanitation stickers right here at the bottoms, and they have all the cut sheets about the units. If you keep looking at the backs, we're having the connection pipes right here. And for this one, is using the standard of 110 US plugs. Okay, that's all the information about these units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.